Hi, welcome to the Z Gym and welcome to my Six Pack Summer App workout number 8. This is a bodyweight workout. The only thing that you need for this workout is your exercise mat, and we're gonna be doing 4 different exercises, and we're gonna do a couple of rounds for time. So stick with me, warm up, get ready, and let's do this workout together. Get ready, we're gonna start with the first exercise, which is 5 low jacks into donkey kick, and we're doing 5 reps. Bend your knees, stay low, and let's do this. Jump your feet apart, jump them together, and 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Hands on the ground, and kick your feet up. That's 1 rep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And donkey kick. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's 5. Okay, jackknife and into plank and 2 knee tucks. So you're gonna lay on your back. You're gonna do a leg lift. Lift your butt as high as you can. Now get into the plank. And we're gonna do 1, 2. And lay back down. And we're gonna do 9 more reps. 1 and 2. That's 2. And into plank, knee tuck, knee tuck. That's 3. Leg lift, hips up, into the plank, knee tuck, knee tuck. That's 4. Knee tuck and knee tuck. That's 5. And into the plank. That's 6. 7. 3 more reps. 8. 9. And the last one. And that's 10. Stand up. Next exercise is curtsy lunge to side lunge. So you're gonna step back, across your front leg, and then step to the side. Make sure you're keeping your back straight, abs tight. And let's do 20 reps on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and other side, and lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and last one, 20. Last exercise in the circuit is strict mountain climber. So get into the plank. And you want to step with your foot right next to your hand, and that's where your feet are going to be landing. So you're going to jump and switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, get up. So we're gonna do one more round. Get ready and push through this with me. I know it's hard. Maybe you're out of breath, but try not to pause the video, try to keep up the pace. And let's stay with the low jacks and donkey kick, 5 sets. Bend your knees and let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands on the ground, kick your feet out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's 5. Okay, jackknife. Lay on your back. So we're gonna do a leg lift, hips up, and then get into the plank. Side crunch means side knee tuck, and lay down again. That's 1. 2. knee tuck. 3. Leg lift. 4. 5. 5. We're in the half. Stay with me, you can do this. 6. 1, 2, and lay down. 7. Leg lift, hips up, use the momentum, get into the plank. 1, 2, 8. Last 2 reps. Leg lift, hips up. 1, 2. That's 9. And last one. Leg lift, hips up, get into the plank. Knee tuck, knee tuck. And that's it. Now stand up. We're gonna do curtsy lunge and into side lunge. 20 reps on each leg. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep your back straight. 8, 9, 10. Really push your hips back. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job. Last exercise and then we're done. Strict mountain climbers. Step with your foot right next to your hand. Jump and switch legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and we're done. Okay, get up, get up, stand up, walk in place. Whew. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. This is a great workout, combination of intense core exercises with cardio and some exercises for your butt, which is really important. If you have lower ab, little pouch, and want to get rid of it, you have to work on your butt as well. So We did all that. Now it's only up to you to be good with your diet, be good to your body and not sabotage your training. So that's it for today. And I'm really looking forward to be working out with you again in the Z Gym. Ciao.